Dear student, Namaste. Today, this is 16th class of class 7 student. So we are the topics monetization. Monetization here. So what is the meaning of magnetism? The process of changing magnetic substance. Magnetization means the process of changing magnetic substance into a magnet. The process of changing magnetic substance into a magnet is called magnetization. Magnetic substance like iron, cobalt, nickel are used for this purpose. Iron, cobalt, nickel, they are the magnetic substance. They are used to change into magnetic in magnet. They are magnetic substance, and by the help of magnetization, they can change into magnets. The magnet substance can change into magnet by the following two methods. Mainly, one is stocking method. First one is stocking method, and second one is elliptical method. So we are going to read about the process how magnetic substance can change into a magnet. There are two ways mainly. One is stocking method, and next one is elliptical method, dear student. So first of all, you must have to know what is magnetization. Magnetization means the process of changing magnetic substance into a magnet. They can change by the two process. One is stocking method and next one is elliptical method. Okay, dear student. So we will read first stocking method. Okay. So dear student, we are reading first method, stocking method. Stocking method. So in stocking method, there is also two type of method. One is single touch method, and next one is double touch method. So let's read here. See the figure. This is a here. In this method of preparation of a magnet, next magnet is used in a particular pattern. It can be made by following two methods. First one is a single touch method. So we are going to read this. So one is a bar magnet. Having another example, a bar magnet. This figure is this one is bar magnet. So a bar magnet and iron bar, and this one is iron bar. This one is iron bar. This one is iron bar. Let's see here. Materials filled to one's iron bar. We are going to change the iron bar into the magnet. And next one is we are keeping the contact to the bar magnet. See, not police touching it. So methods: put a bar magnet on a table. This bar magnet is on the table. You can make a table also here. Table. Put one end of the bar magnet, say N pole, and stop in the pattern shown in the diagram. This N pole should be touched here. Should be touched here, like in a figure. Repeat the activity for about 50 times. We can rub. See here how this toxic body can rub. Okay, like this. Same direction. Again, keep it here. Again, same direction. Means like this. Okay, the surface of the bar magnet of North Pole continuously 50 times we rub on the what? And iron bar. This iron bar, in this iron bar we rub. Always continuously in same direction. Repeat the activities for about 50 times. Place the iron bar close to the magnetic bodies. Now this iron bar you can place into the near to the magnetic bodies, and it can show the properties of magnet. Okay, so it is a permanent magnet. Now this magnet make a permanent magnet. Which magnet? Permanent magnet. This iron bar will convert into pure magnet, permanent magnet. This method of preparing magnet is called single touch method. This method of preparing magnet means firstly we have to take one iron bar. First we have to take one iron bar and we should put that on the table. Then next material is used, a bar magnet, and a bar magnet is not pole should touch on the iron bar, and continuously 50 times we have to rub. We have to keep in the contact of an iron bar 50 times. Then after you can see that iron bar properties changed. It works like a magnet. Okay, this way we can change the iron bar into magnet. Okay, any confusion, student? Very good. So dear student, this is double cross method. Process is near about same, but figure is totally same. This is iron plate putting on a table, and this is a iron a bar magnet. This one is a bar magnet. There are two magnets, one magnet, and there is a second magnet, and there is a iron plate. There is a iron plate. A bar is placed on a table as in single touch method. We have studied the single touch method. Same way, this iron plate is placing on the table. Okay, the two opposite poles of two different bar magnets are placed in the middle of a bar. This bar magnet is placed in the contact of North Pole, and this one, this one is South Pole, and next one is the opposite North Pole. One bar magnet touches the South Pole, and next one is touches the North Pole. They are rubbed on the iron bar in a special pattern as is shown in the diagram. This rubbed this way, it rubbed like this, means it is in middle. Suppose this is the middle, suppose this center, and this one is rubbed from this side, again rubbing like this, and this magnet rubbing only one side, this side. Okay, and next one is rubbing this direction, and this one is rubbing the south direction, south pole rubbing this direction, and north pole rubbing the opposite direction. Okay. When the rubbing is repeated for about 50 times, the iron bar becomes a magnet. When it rubs more than 50 times or about 50 times, then this bar magnet converts into this iron plate converts into magnet. Okay, it converts into magnet. The above mentioned method are for making permanent. This process is called a permanent magnet. It produces permanent magnet. We also can make temporary magnet by using electricity. If we like to produce temporary magnet, then by the help of electricity you can produce that. The method is called electrical method. If we produce a temporary magnet by the help of electricity, then that process, that method is called electrical method. The magnet obtained by this process is called electromagnet. If the magnet is produced from by the help of electrical method, then that is known as electromagnet. Okay. So simply again you understand here. First we take double toss method means first we take iron plate and keep in the contact of the chamber, and take two bar magnet. One south pole keep on the contact of the bar magnet, on the iron plate, and take next bar magnet and its north pole touch or keep contact on the in iron plate and next side. Okay. And that rub from south, this iron bar rub in same direction every times, and this one also north poles rub here same direction in 50 times. Then after 50 times rubbing the bar magnet, this iron plate converted into a magnet. That process is known as a double touch method. So this was clear, student. And next class we will read more. Okay. Thank you, dear student. Thank you.